Thank you. Thank you. I picked a lovely day for practicing my favorite dance. Excuse me. There's nothing I love more than hearing my own singing voice. La 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 achoo! That's odd. Where'd that come from? It wasn't part of my song. There it was again. That is so strange. I can't sing if I keep having to achoo! I don't know how this got started, achoo! But tickles are in my nose. It itches and twitches and then I achoo! And it goes on wherever I go. How did I get like this? Achoo! I don't know, but I'm not pleased. I wish I wasn't this way. Always having to achoo! Always having to sneeze. Really though, I wish I wasn't as sneezy as I am right now. Maybe one of my friends can find a way to help me stop sneezing. Achoo! Hello, Annie. Was that you sneezing just now? I'm not sure how it happened, but achoo! My nose has been feeling awfully sneezy lately. I'm sorry to hear that. Achoo! Sorry. I've had a few tickles in my nose myself. Gee, I wonder why. Achoo! Oh my! Bless you, Annie. Thank you. By the way, my sneeziness has been so bad, I decided to sing a little song about it. Well, do you suppose you could sing it for me? Perhaps I could come up with some words for it too. I'll try. I don't know how this got started, achoo! But tickles are in my nose. It itches and twitches and then I achoo! And it goes on wherever I go. How did I get like this? Achoo! I don't know, but I'm not pleased. I wish I wasn't this way. Always having to achoo! Always having to sneeze. You poor thing. Bless you, Annie. Thank you. Achoo! And bless me too. Bless you is right. Well, if we're going to be sneezing, we might as well ask Quincy or Leo to help us out. Good idea. Achoo! Achoo! Oh dear. I hope we're not coming down with something. Me too. The only thing worse than being sneezy is being sneezy from a cold or the flu or anything else. It would be worse, wouldn't it? Hey, June. Hey, Annie. Is something wrong? You could say that, yes. I'm not sure why, but Annie and I can't stop sneezing. We were wondering if there was a way you could help us stop sneezing. Well, I guess I could play you girls a song on my trumpet. Maybe that'll help make your sneezes go away. Any sort of help would be nice. Okay. My goodness! That was a really, really funny sounding song you just played for us. Sorry, girls. I wasn't playing there. I was sneezing. What? You're kidding. Nope. And now my nose feels all itchy. Isn't that weird? Oh no, not you too! I just don't understand. What could possibly be making us sneeze? I don't know, but whatever it is, achoo, sure is tickling my nose. Achoo! Wow! Bless you, Annie. I cannot believe what you just did.
Sorry, Quincy. We've got to tell Leo about this. There's got to be a way he can help us.
Achoo! Achoo! What's the matter, everyone?
Oh, Leo, it's terrible. We can't stop. Achoo!
Uh-oh. Are you feeling all right, Annie?
My nose is really, really itchy and tickly. Achoo!
You don't have a fever.
Achoo!
Sorry, Leo. My nose has also been rather sneezy. But I can't stop sneezing either. Achoo! That's too bad. Not to mention, very strange. It doesn't look or sound like any of you are getting sick. Maybe there's something around here that's causing all of you to achoo!
But what could be causing all of us to achoo? We've been to a couple of different spots and we were achooing in each one.
Achoo! Achoo! Excuse me.
Oh dear, now Leo's sneezing too. Achoo!
Talk about something to sneeze at. Achoo!
Oh no! Oh no! Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Are you okay, Annie? Achoo!
Oh, this is terrible! The terriblest thing in the history of terrible things!
Achoo! Yeah, it sure is.
It truly is. Achoo! We don't know how this got started. Achoo! But we're all sneezing right now.
I can't even play on my trumpet, achoo, without making a really weird sound. If only we knew why we're like this, achoo! Such a strange mystery.
Wish we were not this way. You really don't wanna be like this all day. Always having to.
Achoo!
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 Always having to sneeze.
What are we going to do? Where in the world are all these sneezes coming from?
Guys? Yeah?
Wow.
I've never seen a cloud like that before.
Me neither. And especially not one as yellow as that. What do you think it's doing here? Achoo! I'm not sure exactly. Although just looking at it makes my nose feel awfully ticklish.
Tell me about it.
Bless you, Annie. I'm not exactly sure what this cloud is, but do you suppose... Choo! It could be the reason we're all sneezing?
Golly, Leo, I never looked at it that way.
But perhaps me and Annie could have a look at it and see if it does anything. We were the first ones to begin sneezing, after all.
I don't know about that, June. What if it makes me
even more? If you hold your nose gently and breathe through your mouth, you shouldn't be able to sneeze too much more. Now, why don't we go and investigate the yellow cloud?
Well, okay.
Don't worry, Annie. We're right behind you. Yeah, it's not like it'll hurt you. Achoo!
Do you think it can talk?
Hello? Mr. Yellow Cloud? There's something we'd like to ask you.
Are you the one who's been making us sneeze? Because we've been going at you an awful lot today.
It's not saying anything. We'd be the only ones to understand it if it did anyway.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Achoo! Oh my! This cloud really has been making us sneeze this whole time.
Really? Wow. I did think none of us found out until just now.
What's the matter, Annie?
I think I'm going to sneeze again.
I figured that. It's all right, Annie. If you must sneeze, you may.
No, you don't understand. This is going to be one of my really, Shoo!
Wow! Are you okay, Annie? That was a really big sneeze you did there. It sure was. Bless you, Annie.
Thank you. Sorry, guys. I'm okay. I just couldn't help it. That cloud is pretty mean if it can make us sneeze just by coming near us.
Well, at least we know what was causing our sneezing in the first place. Achoo! But this cloud must be made of some kind of stuff that makes people sneeze. Well, maybe it is. But what? Achoo! June, what were you doing when you first started feeling sneezy?
Well, achoo!
I was dancing around the flowers that were growing around my house. It was a little bit windy at the time. The wind must have stirred up some pollen from the flowers.
Achoo! Bless you.
Thank you. But what's pollen? It's a kind of powdery, dusty yellow substance that lives inside flowers. When something makes it come out of the flowers, and if you get too close to it, your nose will start to tickle and you'll start sneezing. So that must mean this cloud that has been bothering us, achoo!
Is really a cloud of pollen.
It all makes sense now. Achoo!
If we don't want this pollen cloud to make us sneeze anymore, we'll have to find a way to get rid of it. Maybe Rocket can find a way to do that. Hey, Rocket! Do you suppose you could blow this cloud of pollen away?
Achoo! It's been giving us the sneezes.
It'd be great if you could get rid of it for us. Rocket?
Achoo!
Bless you, Rocket. Bless you, Rocket. Bless you, Rocket.
Bless you, Rocket.
Oh, dear me. I didn't know pollen could make you sneeze, too. I never thought I'd say this, but I don't think you should help us get rid of this pollen. What if you sneeze like that one dwarf did in Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs? We certainly wouldn't want that to happen, would we? I surely don't. Me either. Well, if Rocket can't help us, achoo! We'll have to get rid of this cloud ourselves. But how?
I got it! What if all four of us had to do a really big sneeze all at the same time?
That's a great idea, Annie. If we all sneeze at once, all of the air that we blow out should be able to blow the cloud away. Yes, but wouldn't it be hard for all of us to sneeze all at the same time?
Yeah, but not if we all try. Just follow my lead.
Are you sure about this, Annie?
I'm as sure as you can get. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, thank goodness that's over. Thank goodness indeed. I cannot believe that actually worked.
Bless you.
Thank you, Rocket. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I am so happy my idea worked.
And we are so happy that it did. It sounded pretty silly, but I guess sometimes the silliest ideas are the ones that work best.
Thank you so much for finding a way to help us stop sneezing, Annie. You're welcome. Is there anything we can do for you in return?
Yeah, is there? You could use a reward for lending us a hand, after all. Don't you think?
Gee, thanks, guys. But I don't think that's something you have to do right now. I'm just glad we're not sneezing anymore.
We all are.
Oh, how cute! Hello, Miss Butterfly. How are you on this lovely day? Miss Butterfly, I don't think my nose is a good place for you to be. You know that, right? Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Bless you, Annie.
Yes, bless you.
Yeah, bless you.
Thank you, everyone.
Are you alright, sis?
Yeah, I'm fine. But I guess I didn't know butterflies could make me sneeze too.